Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys. Here's a very famous song at the moment called Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. Now this song is in D, you could say D minor. Here's your D minor 9 chord. Turn it up a bit for you. Okay, and here's your rhythm. That's your first chord there, D minor 9. We're going to be going up to E minor 7. That's your second chord. And your third chord is A minor with a 9. A minor, playing the 7, the 9, the 3rd and the 5th. So again. Those are the 3 chords you need for this song, just those 3. And she comes in with now he's think about me every night, oh is that sweet I get so you can't sleep, baby I know that's that me espresso, move it up down, left, right, oh switch it up like Nintendo, so you can't sleep, baby I know that's that me espresso, and play around with the rhythm a little bit. Sounds beautiful. There's a lot of stuff you can do to ad lib. But to carry on into the first verse, that's like the chorus to start the song. Sometimes they do that. They'll start the song with the chorus. Pretty catchy, right? Comes in with the verse. Zoom in a little so I can read it. She says, I can't relate to desperation. My give a fucks are on vacation. And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling. When they act this way, I know I got 'em. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. I like to do a bit of a stop there because it's very punchy, that part. Pre-chorus, same chords. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in, dreams came true for you. Dream came true for you. Not great English. Not great English there, but it is the lyrics, and that's how she says it. So, dreams came true for you. Yeah. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in, a dream came true for you. Soft skin and that perfume for you. Da 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 da. I'm gonna teach you that melody. From B up to E, back to B, and we call that a turn. B C B A. Catchy. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and I perfumed for you. I knew a mountain dewed it for you. That morning coffee brewed it for you. Let's start D minor there. I know a mountain dewed it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed for you. One touch and I brand new for you. Yes. Now he's think about me every night, is that sweet I get so you can't sleep, baby I know that's that me espresso. This is the chorus again, move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo, so you can't sleep, baby I know that's that me espresso. And we go back to we go to a post-chorus, but the chords carry on. That's that me espresso. She says, holy shit, is that sweet I get so. I'm working late. Comes in with verse 2, cause I'm a singer. Oh, it looks so cute. Wrapped around my finger. My twisted humor. Make him laugh so often. I realise sometimes I play A minor 7 and sometimes A minor 9. They're very, very similar chords. Almost indistinguishable, but the 9 definitely adds something. And the 9 we should play. I'm working late, I'm a singer, looks so cute right around my finger, where was I? My twisted humour, making laugh so often. My honeybee, come get this bottle, too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you, soft skin and my perfume for you. This is the pre-chorus again, we've done already before. One touch and I brand new for you. Now he's, and we go back into the chorus. Think about me every night, where's that sweet August soul? Say you can't sleep, baby I know, that's that me espresso. Same again. And that chorus goes twice, and then she does a little tag on the end, post-chorus. Is that sweet August soul? That's that me espresso. That's how she finishes. It's that me espresso. So yeah, that's Espresso. Not a difficult song, only 3 chords, D minor 9, E minor 7, and A minor 9. And that melody. Hopefully this video helped you to learn the song that you've searched and that you wanted to learn, which was Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. Thanks for tuning in to Between the Keys. If you do like the video, then give it a like and click subscribe. Follow the channel for more. Put your comments below if you have any requests for popular songs. And I shall see you in the next one. Ciao for now.